Hi, Luke and Julie with Noah's Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 72 Laidlaw Drive. This all-brick bungalow boasts just over 2,000 square feet of finished living space and has been meticulously maintained.
Absolutely, and even though Laidlaw Drive is called a drive, it's actually a quiet crescent conveniently located in Barrie's West End. We're close to shops, malls, anything else you might want. Let's get inside and check it out. Inside we have luxury vinyl plank flooring, newly replaced in a modern gray throughout this well thought out combined living and dining space, perfect for entertaining, right off the kitchen, which has its own slide out to the backyard and a composite deck for those who love to barbecue.
Considering the overall size of this home, this master bedroom is so spacious.
Once you've made your way down that brand new staircase, you're going to love what this bungalow has to offer. One of the best things about bungalows is there's almost as much space down here as there is upstairs. Whether it's a rec room, a man cave, somewhere for the kids to play with a gas fireplace, you're going to love what this has to offer.
And the space just keeps on going. Whether it's overnight guests or older children, this lower level is topped off by a full bathroom, an additional bedroom, and plenty of storage.
I don't know about you, Jules, but I absolutely love a backyard with no neighbors behind. Right? We're fully enclosed here with a no maintenance vinyl fence. What better spot to spend time with the kids and family?
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.